Hello everybody, it is downpouring right now, but I am at CVS. I just got here like before they opened, and I don't like being like the first one in the store, but I'm still gonna be the first one in the store. I've been waiting in the parking lot for like 10 minutes. Just got addicted to TikTok, but anyways, we're gonna do some deals. There's some pretty decent deals to do. We will see what happens. I didn't go last week because it really wasn't worth me going, and then I found out everything went like 90% off. So I'm gonna try to see if I can find anything, but I've been just trying to not go crazy with 90%. I just don't need it, and I just been trying to, you know, save money with not going crazy. So let's go inside and have some fun. Here we have the Swab Deodorant for $3.49. It is currently on sale for buy one get one 50% off. You want to use 2 of these 50% off insert coupons that we received. You end up paying just $4.23, but then you get a $3 extra care buck when you purchase the 2, making it just $1.23 or 61 cents each. Here we have the Axe Spray Deodorant for $7.29. It is buy one get one 50% off. You want to use that buy one get one free coupon. Most likely your store will take the $7.29 off, making you pay $3.64, but then you get a $2 extra care buck back, making it just $1.64 or 82 cents each. So here we have the Dove shampoo and conditioner for $5.19. It is on sale for buy one get one 50% off, but I just dropped my clipboard. But we have some insert coupons for $3 off of 2. So you're gonna use actually 2 of these $3 off of 2 coupons. And then I have a 3 off of 15 Dove shampoo conditioner styling CRT that I'm going to use. You'll end up just paying $6.57, but when you buy 2 of them you get $4. When you buy 3 of them you get $7. I'm gonna buy 4 of them, and it ends up becoming a 43-cent moneymaker. The L'Oreal Elvive is on sale this week, 2 for $9. Now we did get some printable coupons, otherwise we do have a digital coupon for 3 off of 2. You'll end up just paying $6 for 2 of them, but then you get a $4 extra care buck back, making them $2 or $1 each. Here we have the Neutrogena Masks for $3.59. They are currently buy one get one 40% off. You would end up paying just $6.04, but when you purchase 2 of them, you get a $5 extra care buck back, making it $1.04 or 52 cents each. So here we have the Colgate Toothpaste for $4.99. I'm getting the sensitive because this stuff earlier I can get a good deal for it. So $4.99, you want to use this 4 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys will end up using. You will end up just paying $5.98, but then you get a $5 extra care buck back, making it just 49 cents each. I actually found a better deal that we're going to do. So we're going to get 2 of the Colgate Toothpaste. You can also get a toothbrush for $7.99. We currently have a $3 off digital coupon that we can use, and then you can use a $1 off toothpaste coupon or a $1 off toothbrush coupon. So we're going to do that. Then we're going to get 2 of these Colgate toothpaste that are $4.99 and use the 4 off of 2 digital coupon also. Altogether it comes to like 25 something dollars. I'm going to use the 5 off of 25 CRT that I have. I will end up paying $12.96, but then you get a $6 extra care buck when you purchase 2 of these items, and you get a $5 extra care buck when you purchase those, so you get $11 back in extra care bucks, making it $1.96 or just 49 cents each. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I decided to do my haul at home because it is still downpouring. So I was able to find a couple of 90% items. My store still had a ton of blankets, slippers, and robes, but they were still 75% off. So I'm just gonna wait until those go down. But I ended up getting this. Now I texted the husband, I'm like, what is your opinion on this? He's like, you can get it. I thought maybe my daughter would eat tacos a little bit more if we got this, but this was just 99 cents. It is a taco holder. something simple. It's probably something cheap, but for like 99 cents, we'll give it a try, you know, make taco eating some fun. So this was my 90% item. Like I said, I wasn't going crazy. I just am not in like a huge hurry to get everything. So yeah, but my haul came out to be for free, you guys. I got everything absolutely free. So I ended up getting the Axe body spray. These were $7.29 at buy one get one 50% off. I used the buy one get one free coupon. She did take off the $7.29. You would pay $3.64 for the both of these, but then you get a $2 extra care buck back, making it $1.64 or 82 cents each. So I was excited for that. And then I also got the Suave Deodorant. Now these were, my videos is not focusing very well. I ended up getting the Swab Deodorant. These were $3.49 at buy one get one 50% off. I used two 50-cent off insert coupons that we got from our the Super Saver is what it's called, or the Unilever. But you would pay $4.23 for this. You get a $3 extra care buck back, making it just $1.23 or 61 cents. And if you're wondering why you see balloons in the background, we had a birthday party yesterday, so everybody's downstairs playing, so I'm like, we're gonna go up here. So I needed more shampoo because I have the conditioner, I just don't have the shampoo. But I ended up getting the L'Oreal Elvive. These were 2 for $9. I used that 3 off of 2 digital coupon, paid $6 for this, but then you get a $4 extra care buck back, making it just $2 or $1 each, which is a pretty decent deal. So I got that, and I really like that kind of the L'Oreal. I also got the Neutrogena Masks, the Hydro Boost masks. These were $3.59 at buy one get one 40% off. You would pay $6.04 for the both of these, but then you get a $5 extra care buck back, making these just $1.04 or 52 cents each, which is a pretty decent deal. I remember back in the day we used to get masks all the time. So yes, so these two items also were another scenario. So I had an 8 off of 40 scenario, and I just needed $9 more to get the 8 off of 40. So I decided to do this deal. Now this deal is not the greatest, but like I said, I ended up doing it because I had that 8 off of 40 and I needed to spend $9 more. So these were $4.49. There is one digital coupon that you could use for $1 off. So I used that $1 off digital, paid $7.98, but then you get that $5 extra care buck back, making it $2.98 or $1.49. So this is not the greatest deal, but like I said, I had that 8 off of 40, so everything that I just showed you I used with the 8 off of 40, and I got it all marked down to that. So we got that for all one thing. So the next transaction I did is I did the Colgate Renewal. These were $7.99, and then I got the Colgate Sensitive for $4.99. Now I did have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon, and I had a $3 off digital coupon and a $1 off digital coupon. I got both of these, all 4 of these together, and then I had a 5 off of 25 CRT. So I paid $12.96 for these 4 items, but then you get a $6 extra care buck back when you bought 2 of these, and you got a $5 extra care buck back when you bought 2 of these, making it $1.96 or 49 cents each, which is a pretty good deal. I try to get Sensitive because my in-laws are always asking for it, and I actually have a lot of people ask for Sensitive toothpaste, so whenever I get a chance to get that stuff, I will get it. So I did that in one transaction, and I was going to do this in the same one, but then I just wasn't thinking straight. So I ended up getting the Dove shampoo and conditioner. Now these were $5.19 at buy one get one 50% off. I used 2 3 off of 2 insert coupons from the Unilever. I also had a 3 off of 15 Dove shampoo CRT. So I ended up using that. Paid $6.57. When you bought 2 of them, you got $4. When you bought 3 of them, you got $7. So I got $7 back in an extra care box, making all 4 of these a 43-cent moneymaker. So got all of those. So that was everything that I had, including the 8 off of 40. My grand total came, or my total came to $6.10. I did use $31 worth of extra care bucks, but I did receive $37 back, and then I also got the CRT for the September Beauty Club, so I got that printed off also. So spent $31 of extra care bucks, but then I got $37 back of extra care bucks, so my grand total came to 10 cents. But I did scan my receipt to Fetch Rewards, and I got 35 points for each receipt. So I had 3 receipts at 35, 35, 35. So I got 105 points with Fetch Rewards, which is technically 10 cents. So I got my whole haul absolutely free, which I'm pretty excited for. Yeah, last week I just wasn't feeling it, and the week before was just kind of slow. But this week I'm like, I have to go because I have CRTs that were expiring. So I had to use those. But I will most likely not have a CVS haul next week. I am going out of town to my class reunion, and I will spend the night at my parents' house, so I will not be making it back at night. Or back in the morning, so I'm gonna skip CVS, but I thought I'd just give you guys a heads up for it. If it's really, really hot, like there's so many good deals, then maybe I might go after we get back home, but we will see. But I still wanted to share with everything that I got. I'm just happy with my haul. I got some freebies, and everything came out to be for free. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. See you later. Bye-bye.